Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Upwork to Payoneer. So you want to click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then go to settings. So from the settings tab, we want to focus on the left hand side and just go to get paid. So if you haven't already connected your Payoneer account to your Upwork, I have a video on this, but basically we want to click on add a method. You click on set this up or set up. It's going to take us to another page and we basically have to log in into our account here. If we don't already have one, we have to create an account, but it's not what this video is about. It's about withdrawing money from Upwork to Payoneer. So just logging into your account, it is going to refer us to the Upwork page. So just give it some time. And also, after you have connected this, you will also need to input your tax information and set this up. So withdrawal fee, it's $2 per payment. You need to select the preferred withdrawal schedule. So I'm going to do twice per month. The minimum withdrawal amount, which I just set to the minimum, which is $100. Normally it would be at 1,000, which is way too much. And reserve balance, I set this to 0 because it sets aside money for connects each month. And after we have done this, then we click on next. And like I said, we have to actually input all of our tax information and taxpayer identification information, if we have any. So after we have done this, then you will be able to get paid through Payoneer, but you have to, of course, provide your tax information, which I'm not going to do in this video. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.